here we are in Round Rock, Arizona. We are at the Double D Ranch where there's a rodeo going on today, and today we're going to go over a few rodeo-related terms in Navajo. So first of all, to say rodeo in Navajo, you can say either one or two ways. You can say Naa'ahóóhai, or you can also say Naa'ahóóhai for rodeo. Also, other words that you can say is for cowboy. The typical word is just Akałii for cowboy. For bull rider, to say bull rider in Navajo, you say Dóola with Naalgeedígíí. Dóola with Naalgeedígíí, and that's just regular bull rider. So for your different events that you have going on at a rodeo, for bareback, you say Nída'algeedgo Naalgeedígíí. Nída'algeedgo, and that's bareback. And then for saddle bronc, the event you can say is Nída'algeedgo Naalgeedígíí. Nída'algeedgo Naalgeedígíí. For team roping, to say team roping in Navajo, you can say Begashi Altsa'ahóóhai. Begashi Altsa'ahóóhai. For barrel racing, the term for barrel racing in Navajo is Twashje benagotli Nída'yiiláhígíí. Twashje benagotli Nída'yiiláhígíí. For the calf roping event, for calf roping you say Nída'algeedgo. For steer wrestling, you say Nída'algeedígíí. And bull riding in Navajo is Dóola Naalgeedígíí. The way you can say the breakaway event in Navajo is you say Nída'algeedígíí, and that's how you say the breakaway event for rodeo.
6, 3, 3. Here we go. Square out rules, remember, memorize it. Play strong, ladies and gentlemen. Outside. Hastiin and the bronc riding here this afternoon on behalf of Pete Brothers Rodeo Company.
So some other related terms you can say in Navajo, like for rodeo clown, you can say Hastiin. That's one way you can say rodeo clown. To say like the picket man, especially in the event like with saddle bronc, you can say Nída'algeedgíí. Those are some rodeo related terms. So if you get a chance to catch a rodeo, those are some terms.
We are ready. Rise up, ladies and gentlemen. As his hands fall here this afternoon. Attitude number 1. That's right. Talking about that thing, great, my instructor.